drainage systems in India. Lakes. In this module, you will learn about lakes as an important part of the drainage systems in India. A lake is a large depression on the surface of the earth filled with water. The water of the lakes can be fresh or brackish. However, most of the lakes have fresh water. The lakes of very large size are known as seas. Some examples of seas are the Caspian Sea, the Dead Sea, and the Aral Sea. In arid and semi-arid regions, some rivers do not reach up to the sea. They empty their water into lakes, making an inland drainage system. These type of lakes do not have outlets, and they lose water only through evaporation and underground seepage. This leads to accumulation of minerals, causing the water to become saline. The Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is the saltwater lake in India. Lakes are also formed by glaciers by digging out hollows and troughs on the surface of the earth, which later get filled with snow water. Dal Lake in the valley of Kashmir is an example of this type of lake. Are you familiar with the term lagoons? Well, they are also lakes. Lagoons are formed due to spit and sandbars. Spit and sandbars are formed by the deposition of sand by ocean currents across the mouths of small bays. Therefore, we can say that lagoons are initially parts of an ocean that get gradually separated. The Chilka Lake of Orissa and the Pulicat Lake of Tamil Nadu are examples of lagoons. In addition to the natural lakes, there are artificial water reservoirs which are created by building dams on rivers. These dams are built to generate electricity from water. An example of a lake formed due to creation of a dam is the Guru Gobind Sagar Lake. This lake was formed due to the construction of the Bhakra Nangal Dam. In this module, you have learned the following. A lake is a large depression on the surface of the earth filled with water. Lakes of very large size are known as seas. Lakes can be classified into two groups: freshwater lakes and saltwater lakes. Due to the movement of plates inside the Earth's crust may sink relative to the adjacent region. This leads to the formation of a trough-like basin which gets filled with water to form a lake. At times, glaciers dig out hollows and troughs on the surface of the earth, which later on gets filled with snow water to form a lake. When a river reaches a low-lying plain in its final course to the sea or a lake, it meanders widely and leads to the formation of Oxbow Lake. Artificial lakes or water reservoirs are formed by the dams built on river for the generation of hydroelectricity.